Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate it. What's good, y'all? It's your boy, 5-Star Felipe. I'm back at y'all with another one. Episode 3. We're gonna figure out what we want whenever we get there as normal. I got my boy 5-Star JW behind the camera. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll be back at y'all when we got some food.
My name is Sam. I got a burro burger and fries from Culinary Creative at the food truck place in Murfreesboro. The food is amazing. The fries have plenty of seasoning on them, but it's a good type of seasoning, just right. The burger is very, very juicy, very kind of difficult to grab a hold of, but it's still like the good type of difficult, just because it's like a 1/3 of a pound. But yeah, definitely a good place to go to.
Alright, y'all. 5-Star Felipe, 5-Star JW. We got
Chang Noi,
we got
Chang Noi,
and then we have
Chang Noi food truck, Thai Laos fusion,
so,
Thai Laos fusion.
what we have. What's the plate? Right
This
here.
is Pad Thai noodle, crushed peanuts, bean sprout, sprinkled with a green onion on top. It's like a sweet tamarind sauce that's cooked to it.
And then right here we got the
Vegetable spring roll with homemade sweet sour sauce.
and tell them what this is.
This is Thai tea, herbal tea with half and half, and like sweet, creamy, but extra caffeine.
And we're gonna try it all right now. We're gonna start with the food right here.
It's
Hot. It's super hot.
Just got off the wok. Sweet.
That's amazing.
Good.
No, that is so good.
You gotta go.
The nuts adds a little crunch to it.
Yeah.
And that's really good. I've never had nothing with nuts in it like this.
A little bit spicy is good too.
Oh yes, absolutely.
Spicy great. What you think about that, sir?
Yeah, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
And what type of Asian food is this?
Thai food from Southeast Asia.
Southeast Asia. I don't know if I've ever tried that before, but if I have, I can definitely say this is going to be the most memorable one right here.
Yes.
Because this is good. This is really, really good.
And
Yeah. As you can tell, from my opinion, I
He ain't even talking. He can't stop eating.
this is the first time I've eaten since I left work, but this also didn't disappoint. I ain't even gonna lie to you.
You want to try one of these spring rolls?
Yeah.
sauce.
I don't even eat vegetables, but I'm going to do this anyway.
Let's try it.
Now we got the spring roll coming up, the vegetable spring roll. You got one right there. I got one. All right. Let's go.
So you like, you don't eat vegetable. Different, a little bit salty, sweet. Not too hot.
I could eat that. I don't eat vegetables. I could definitely eat that. And it's the perfect crunch. It's not soggy like it waited on something for so long. Perfectly crunched, 100% all cooked fresh.
Yeah. Cook to order.
Cooked to order. And we did have to wait a little bit, but it was worth the wait for sure.
It was definitely worth the wait for sure.
I mean, you can
But usually, when I
crack on
usually
these.
it's like about 2 minute, 3 minute out.
Normally,
I'm training a new employees.
normally, I really don't even like spring rolls, like just to be honest with you. But this food is really good. This food is really good, y'all. This is really good, real good.
And this homemade sweet and sour sauce is amazing.
All these hand rolled, homemade.
Hand rolled, homemade. It's amazing. It is amazing. We gotta try this shake. Or this, what is it called?
Thai tea.
Thai tea right here.
Thai tea.
I'm gonna hit the first sip.
Good, have it. Milk, creamy, sweet.
Okay.
Like have aftertaste a little bit.
You know, I don't think I could have anything to describe that next to it.
Yeah.
I've never had something like that. That is pretty good though. I could drink that.
Yeah,
And it's caffeine.
Yes, caffeine.
And that's caffeine too.
It's definitely different. It's not bad, but it's different.
Yeah, it's something you haven't tried before,
I've never
right?
had it before.
Yeah, no, me neither. Absolutely not.
It's definitely different. The food is good. The drink is good.
The sauce is good.
The sauce was good. The people were good. The people were friendly. Again, this is the owner. Shout yourself out one more time.
My name's Noi,
Shout your truck out one more time.
Chang Noi, Thai Lao Fusion.
And then this is your phone number down here in the corner?
Yes, it is.
And let's go to the phone number and the website right there. Get that in there.
All right, y'all. It's your boy 5-Star Felipe. I got the food. Like I said, the people were cool. The food is good. I definitely never thought in my life that I would like Thai food. But y'all, this shit is so motherfucking good, bro. I can't even really describe it for real. But like I said, bro, this shit's fire. I'm definitely gonna fuck it up off camera. I hope y'all enjoyed this video as much as I loved recording this video. Like I said, meeting the new people was cool. Shout out to everybody that let me interview them. I'm back at y'all with episode 3. It's your boy 5-Star Felipe. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. I'll be back at y'all next Friday with another truck.